Okay, now good morning children. See, we are taking the chapter fractions. So basically you know that fraction means writing the number like this, in which one number is written on top of this division line and one is at the bottom. The number which is written above is called numerator and the number below is called denominator. Now if I write 1 by 4 means out of 4 given parts, one part is shaded. This is read as 1/4. 1/3 if I write तो इसे क्या पढ़ेंगे 1/3. ठीक है, मीन्स आउट ऑफ 3 parts 1 is shaded. Now see, there are different types of fraction. First we take like fraction. Like fraction means the fractions which have the same denominator. Now see here, first one, denominator, just check the denominators. All the denominators here are 2, same denominator means like fraction. Second is unlike fraction. Unlike means the denominator should be different. See, in the first one it is 6, 4, 9 and 7. Denominator are different. You don't have to look at the numerator here. ठीक है, जब denominator same होगा different, it means it is unlike fraction. Next is called proper fraction. Proper fraction means I have written here in short, numerator is less than denominator. For example, see here, 2 here is numerator and 9 is the denominator. So 2 is obviously less than 9. Same way 6 by 7, 3 by 5. Now moving on to the next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. See in the example I have written 9 by 2. ठीक है, 9 बड़ा है as compared to 2. Same way 7 by 5, 7 is bigger than 5. So ऐसे fractions को हम बोलते हैं improper fraction. One more type of fraction is there. Yes, I'll explain it here only. That is called unit fraction बोलते हैं इसे. Unit fraction means the fractions which have the numerator as 1. For example 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. ठीक है, the numbers which have the numerator as 1, these are called unit fractions. Now the next concept in fraction is conversion part, means conversion of improper to mixed fraction. As you already know, proper fraction cannot be converted in mixed fraction. क्यों? Because numerator is smaller than denominator, you cannot divide there. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव टेकन हेयर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन 9 by 2. अब इसे हमें मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. बाई का मतलब यहाँ पे डिवीजन होता है, तो सिंपली डिवाइड इट बाई 2, 9 by 2. सो यू विल गेट 2 4 जा 8. ठीक है, डिवाइड किया, 1 इज़ द रिमाइंडर. ना सी डिवीजन तो हमें पहले ही पता है हाउ टू डिवाइड. ना हाउ टू राइट दिस गिवन फ्रैक्शन 9 by 2 इन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. डिनोमिनेटर विल नॉट चेंज, 2 है, सो आई एम राइटिंग 2. The remainder which has come here, this is written as numerator, so I am writing here 1, and the quotient over here, this is written as the whole number, so this is, I will write here 4. So what will be the answer here? 4 1 by 2. This is our required mixed fraction. I hope it is clear. I'll take one more example to explain. For example, see here, if it is 7 by 2, this is the number given to you. Just take 7, divide by 2, 2 3 जा 6, 1 remainder आ गया हमारा. So this remainder will be written as what? Quotient. ठीक है, denominator change नहीं होगा, so it is 2 already, and the quotient which we get here, this is written as the whole number. So right here, now our answer will be 3 1 by 2. This is improper fraction we have converted in mixed fraction. Now I hope it's clear. Now the second part is how to convert a given mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now see here, 2 6 by 9 is there. Simply multiply this denominator by the whole number, means 9 into 2. ठीक है, the numerator will be added plus 6 divided by the denominator 9. So this will come 9 2 ja is 18 plus 6 divided by 9. So the answer is 24 by 9. This is our improper fraction. ठीक है, 24 by 9. Same way, let's take one more example. 7 into 4, 7 4 ja is 28 plus 2, numerator is added, divided by denominator will not change, so 7. So this will come 7 4 ja 28 plus 2 by 7, that is 30 by 7 is the answer. ठीक है, practice more questions. I hope the things are clear.